बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध की जॉब शेयर करूँगी जो कि आई थी डॉन संडे दिसंबर 10, 2023 की अखबार में। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध एग्रीकल्चर सप्लाई एंड प्राइसेस डिपार्टमेंट, सिंध वाटर एंड एग्रीकल्चर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन SWAT, प्रोजेक्ट रिक्वेस्ट फॉर एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ EOI, रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध इज इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द वर्ल्ड बैंक फाइनेंस्ड सिंध वाटर एंड एग्रीकल्चर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ SWAT प्रोजेक्ट। द ओवरआर्चिंग theme of the project is water and agricultural nexus and synergies in both sectors of investments and policy reforms with objectives to increase agricultural water productivity in selected farmer organizations command areas of around 22 districts of Sindh, improve integrated water resources management and contribute to increasing crop production by small farmers affected by 2022 floods. The project comprises of 5 main components including 1. Water resources management, number 2. Water services delivery, number 3. Agricultural subsidies and investments, number 4. Project coordination and monitoring support, and 5. Flood emergency response component bracket में लिखा हुआ FERC. The irrigation and agricultural department are jointly implementing the project with overall project management and synergy coordination by P&D department through Directorate of Sindh Water Sector and Barrage Improvement being project coordination and monitoring bracket में लिखा हुआ है PCMU. Project details are available on the project website http://www.ictagriculture.gos.pk, http://www.I for information, C for cat, T for tax, ICT agriculture.gos, G for government, O for organization, S for system.pk. अच्छा, नंबर 3. द सर्विसेज ऑफ एलिजिबल मोटिवेटेड एंड डायनामिक प्रोफेशनल कैंडिडेट फ्रॉम प्राइवेट फर्म / गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इज required as project director who fulfills the following requirements for management and execution of agriculture component under overall rate management of agriculture department, government of Sindh. Qualification and experience at least master's degree in agriculture economics, graduate in engineering bracket preferable agriculture, water resources or civil bracket close. Overall 15 years of post qualification working experience in the relevant field with 5 years of senior level position experience in dealing with foreign funded projects including agriculture research, agriculture extension, agriculture marketing, crop reporting, water management activities on modern agriculture growth technologies. Duty station would be at Hyderabad. Other requirements / information: knowledge of World Bank's procurement standards guidelines will be preferred. Having good communication skills with proficiency in English and local languages, expertise in Microsoft Office including PowerPoint and spreadsheet report writing and leadership skills. Monthly salary package would be in accordance with government standard project pay scale bracket में लिखा हुआ है PPS 10-10/11 with transport facility and other fringe benefits are as entitled. Initial contract period would be 3 years, extendable to 5 years / completion of the project based on the annual performance. Job responsibilities ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है TORs for position are uploaded on website http://www.ictagriculture.gos.pk. Other terms and conditions will be mentioned in offer letter / service contract. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview, and no TA/DA will be given for test interview or joining. CV along with attested copies of qualification and experience certificate, CNIC and latest passport size 2 photographs should be sent on the following address within 10 days from the date of publication of this date of publication of this EOI. Date of publication is 10th December 2023, मतलब कि 20 दिसंबर लास्ट डेट है कल. गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज need to apply through proper channel. Incomplete application will not be considered. Secretary, Agriculture, Supply and Prices Department, Government of Sindh, ground floor, Sindh Secretariat, building number 2, Shahrae Kamal Ataturk, Karachi. Telephone number 02199211462, 02199211462. एक और PTCL नंबर है 99211468, 99211468. पढ़ंदी सिंध था वदंती सिंध. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.